Welcome to Alberta Tomorrow. I'm going to today show you how to register for an account at www.albertatomorrow.ca. First thing you need to do is go to the website and click on Launch New Simulator. Once you get to this page, click on Register. There are three kinds of accounts you can register for: a public account, a teacher account, or a student account. Teachers should register for teacher accounts so they have access to all the lesson plans and learning materials. Students should register as students, listing their school and teacher as they register. Today I'm going to show you how to register for a teacher account. You put in your first name, your last name, and click Next. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions. You will then need to check your email to get a 6-digit code to put in here. Once you put in that 6-digit code, you will choose your account type, teacher, public, or student, and pick your school and teacher. Once you're done that, you will have your username and password to start using Alberta Tomorrow.